Hello, today I will show you how to change the camera and motion effects settings in Wukong the Black Myth. First, go into this main menu by pressing the escape button or the corresponding button on your controller. Then go into the settings. In the settings, go into the display section. Right here, under the camera and motion effects, you can see the motion blur, which can reduce the strength of or turn off. I will set it to weak. You can also increase or decrease the amount of camera shake in the game. When you're happy, simply press your return key displayed right here. For me, it's my right mouse button. For those of us on the controller or with other modes of playing, you can simply tap the corresponding button displayed right there. That's it. And thank you for watching. Please remember to comment, like and subscribe.